What's going on, you guys? It's Randy with Full Throttle Obsessions. Today we're going to be unboxing the Traxxas Maxx Slash four-wheel drive short course truck. This truck is capable of 6S at 70 plus miles an hour. Now I'm sure that 70 miles an hour isn't right out of the box. I'm sure there's an optional gear ratio to achieve that 70 miles an hour. But we'll be doing some future speed runs in a future video to see what this truck actually does out of the box. There's really nothing too interesting on the box here. So we're just going to crack this bad boy open and check it out. Go ahead and turn it over there. Open it up. See if we got it right side up. And we do. Gonna pull it out. Oh wow. That thing is pretty nice. So I really like that it's quite a bit bigger and heavier as well, because I know on the original Slash, the air used to trap under the body and kind of float the whole truck up when you're at speed. So that's really nice. We'll go ahead and put this to the side here. And of course you got a little bag of goodies from Traxxas. Looks like they give you a wheel wrench, a little adapter in case you want to run 4S packs in it. It's like a jumper connector, I believe they call it. Not 100% sure. We'll go ahead and put that to the side. Oh, where is the remote here? Put this box to the side. Well, that's kind of new. I didn't see a remote in there. Hopefully it's hiding on the... Oh. Looks like it might be in the truck itself, so we'll go ahead and see. Go ahead and take this plastic off here. That's definitely a little bit different. I got a little worried that there wasn't a remote in there, but it's stuffed up into the body here. You can see it's our standard TQI radio. Go ahead and set that to the side. Pull the plastic off here. Wow, I got this one in blue. I really like that blue and silver on this. Blue is actually my favorite color, so we had to get the blue one. Gonna check out the body. It's got a cage in there that kind of stiffen things up, and it's got their new release system in their bodies. Definitely like how they put plastic on the back there, if you guys can see that in the camera. I know on my old Slash, the back of the body was the first to break because it would come down and land on the back, and all this would kind of crack up and get all distorted and brittle. So definitely like that they reinforced that. Put this up here. Go ahead. Whoa. I like that suspension. Wow, that is very nice. I like the travel, the down travel, and the up travel. Alright, we went ahead and put it on a stand to get a better look at this beast here. Go ahead and rotate the body for you guys. You see the wheelie bar? Do you believe there's... Oh, I don't think there's ball bearings in that wheelie bar. I'm not for sure though. It doesn't. Not that it really matters. Let's go ahead and keep giving you that 360 view. Wow, I'm really liking that. That thing looks nice. It does have belted tires, so the tires are really firm. It's going to help with ballooning and all that and be a little more durable. Go around one more time. I do see they got cutouts at the back here. I'm wondering if it relieves some of that pressure from the wind coming in the body, since the body's so wide. Kind of help it prevent what happened with the Slash is the Slash used to kind of pull up like a parachute because the body was so wide. Nice, that thing just looks awesome. Really liking that. We'll go ahead, pull the body off. Oh, it wasn't all the way clipped down in the back. Put that to the side. We'll go ahead and give you guys a little closer look. You see they got their 6S speed controller in there. Their big motor, I'm not sure what kV that motor is. I'll have to look it up. Similar bumpers of the Slash. And you can see it's kind of a hybrid design from the Max. With some similarities, but it's quite different actually. Go ahead and turn it around for you guys. Now on the battery tray, it looks like you can run either 4S. Fits quite nicely. I just tried these 10,000 milliamp Z battery packs, 4S. They fit quite nicely in that tray. It fit a little better if you removed. It has a little. See if I could open this with one hand. Ah, there we go. It fit a little nicer without this pad there, but I kind of like how snug that pad keeps it. It kind of wedges it against the bracket itself. Now I do have these 6S packs from Vant. I'm not even sure if Vant's still around making batteries, but these packs won't work. I run these in my UDR. They're just too thick. It won't go down. I think if you want to run on 6S, you have to get two of the Traxxas battery packs and stand them up sideways to be able to get this to close. What's also nice, it has a little pin right here where you can put a body pin to keep that tray from opening up and your batteries flying out, which is quite nice, especially if you're taking some big jumps, landing some big hits. It'll keep those batteries in for you. And if you guys are interested in these Z 10,000 milliamp battery packs, I'll go ahead and put that link in the description below so you guys can check them out. One more peek of the inside of that truck. That thing is pretty awesome. Now I heard that they reinforce the drive shafts as well. Put some metal in the end pieces to help them keep them from breaking. Not sure how that's going to hold up. I know the plastic drive shafts usually break pretty quick, so we usually upgrade them to steel, which in this case we'll probably do because it's a bum day when you go out and go to do some run time and you break a drive shaft. Kind of puts a damper on the day for you. And I know the center drive shaft for the 4-wheel drive, that one's a splined aluminum that goes down the center there. We'll go ahead and take one more look at this thing with the body on. That thing, I'm really liking that blue and silver and the black. I think it ties in really nice. And I'm biased because blue's my favorite color. Just had to throw that in there. Go ahead and take a look. That thing is awesome. I can't wait to get this thing out and test it out. We definitely got to do one more thing. Let's go ahead and, whoops, knock the stand over there. We'll put this here. Go ahead and grab the Max. That right there. And we'll go ahead and put the Monster Slash here. Move these to the side. Guys, look at that lineup. That's a legendary lineup right there. Of course, it's not fair because both the Slash and the Max have oversized tires and wheels, as well as the Max has a wide Max kit on it. But I have to say that lineup looks really good. We definitely got some work we're going to be doing to both the Max and the Slash 4x4. So stay tuned for that. But we are definitely going to leave it with this shot right here. I hope you guys liked the video. And as always, please like, share, and subscribe. And smash that notification bell so you guys are updated every time we drop a new video. But until next time, thank you.